Hi grade 9s, we are looking at module 4 which deals with isometric drawings, and we are looking at our first isometric drawing. It says here that you need to copy the isometric drawing, which is a 3D drawing in this format that it is here, of a shaped block, and you need to make A the lowest point of your drawing, which is the starting point on your page that we see here. So there are various dimensions on here. You need to use the dimensions very effectively and accurately to be able to copy this over into this space over here. So I'm going to show you quickly with a freehand sketch basically what needs to happen, and then following that will be the full formal drawings with the T-square and Z-square. So what I need to explain to you first is that you need to fill this as a block. So I'm going to fill up the gap as it is, making that a full block. So before it was shaped like this, this used to be a full block. So what I want you to do is to first draw the full block. So you are going to draw 30-degree lines, and you are going to use this particular set square here that deals with isometric drawings, and this is the angle which you are going to be using. That angle is a 30-degree angle which you are going to use, not this one. This one you are going to use as well, because this is for straight lines. So you are going to literally draw three types of lines, which either goes up vertically, or it goes 30 degrees in that direction, or it goes 30 degrees in that direction. You will find the odd slanted line that we'll have here, which is a non-isometric line. So let us start. So I'm going to draw a line faintly that way, 30 degrees that way, and I'm going to draw a line 30 degrees that way, and I'm going to draw a line up, and then I'm going to apply my dimensions. That way I'm going to look at 70, so I'm going to mark with 70 there, and this way I'm going to mark with 50 from here, measured that way. I'm going to draw these two lines up, and then I'm going to have a height of 70, which I'm going to measure on this line here. Parallel to this line, I'm going to draw that way. Parallel to this line, I'm going to draw that way. And then I'm going to reverse both corners, that side and this side, to form that back corner over there. So now I'm sitting with a block. Now I'm going to manipulate the block. I can now even measure here, this little gap here. So that's going to be 25 and 20. And I'm going to draw my lines up, like it is here. And then my height of my little section in here is going to be 20, which I'm going to measure. And then I'm going to draw a slanted line there, parallel to that line. I'm going to leave it faint for now. Then I'm going to move to my back, where I find that the back part there is a 15 millimeter in. So measuring 15 millimeters either here or there, doesn't matter. It boils down to the same thing. And then I'm going to draw that 15 down like that. I am, however, going to project that onto here and that way, and then I'm going to use the same gaps here and apply it at the back here, which is 25 and then 20. That is going to be my space that I'm going to have here in front, and then I'm going to have those 2 points here slanted down like that, and that slanted down like that, and this point actually slanting down like that there, which forms those three non-isometric lines. And then I can just highlight it. So I'm going to highlight this here. I'm going to go up that way, down that way. So I am doing my first part, which is the front part, like that there. And then I'm going to add my side here, which goes like that. It's going to go up, cross, down, and forming that corner there. My top is going to be that part over there, which is that over there, and I'm going to do that part as part of my top here, and then just my non-isometric line again that way down. And then of course there's a corner that forms here and disappears behind, so I'm going to put in that corner. Likewise, is there a corner here like we have here, that way, 30 degrees that way, which disappears behind that. And that basically is how you are going to draw your first isometric drawing. Let's see how it unfolds.